Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the BlessReach 4-wheel walker rollator, a top-notch mobility aid designed for adults and the elderly. This walker features a sturdy yet lightweight aluminum frame, making it easy to maneuver without compromising on durability. With its 8-inch wheels, you can enjoy smooth and stable movement on various terrains, while the easy folding mechanism ensures convenient storage and transport. The padded backrest offers additional comfort, allowing you to take a break and sit whenever needed. Its vibrant red color adds a touch of style, making it not only functional but also visually appealing. Designed with user-friendly features, this rollator is perfect for those seeking independence and mobility support. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.